It could be our first thought when we look at this that this is overwhelming. It looks very complicated, but it could be with the right substitution, it just kind of pops out. Let's see what we can do. First of all, I see a radical here, so the first thing I'm going to do is eliminate that radical and convert to fractional exponent or rational exponent notation. So I'm going to write this now as 3x cubed minus 2x to the 1/2 dx. Now I see a power, so the suggested substitution is to let u equal the base. So, here's our base right here. So what I'm going to do here is let u equal that 3x cubed minus 2x. I'll circle it so I can find it later. And now I'm going to go ahead and find du dx. But what I'm going to do is this. Du, I could write du dx, but I know I'm going to multiply by dx at the end anyway. So what's the derivative here? I'm going to get 9x squared minus 2, and then I'll get that dx. Now, here's where we are so far. We are at the integral of, u to the 1/2, and now I know I've got to get this part right here. I've got the u to the 1/2, so I have to still get this, the 18x squared minus 4, and the dx, right? That's what we need to get. We need to get this right here in terms of u. So where we are right now is I've got the u to the 1/2 times that 18x squared minus 4 dx. What we need to do is get this in terms of u. And if this method's going to work, we should be able to get this right from du. So look what we have here for du. We've got 9x squared minus 2, and what we're looking at is 18x squared minus 4. So do you see the relationship between these two things right here? This one that we want is exactly double what we have. This is what we have. This is what we want. So we can write this, I think, that I'm going to take this one right here, and if I double that, if I take 2 du, that will give me 2 of these, right? 2 of those 9x squared minus 2 dx's, and if I multiply through, I'm going to get 18x squared minus 4 dx, and that's just what I'm looking for. So here's what I have, here's what I want. What I want is double what I have. So what I want is double what I have. So now this whole thing here is just 2 du. So let's substitute. I'll do it up here at the top. I'll get u to the 1/2 times, and now that 18x squared minus 4 dx, that just turns out to be 2 du. Let's bring the 2 out in front as the constants come along. U to the 1/2 du. So this will give us u to the, all right, this is increase the exponent by 1, u to the 3/2 divide by the exponent, plus c. Now this thing here, I'm going to invert, right? When you divide, you invert multiply, so I get 2 times, 2 over 3, u to the 3/2 plus c. This gives us 4/3, u to the 3/2 plus c. But I know what u is now, so I'm going to go back and substitute. U, all right, what is u? Okay, I got it circled over here, right? Bring it way back over here. 3x cubed minus 2x. So I get 3x cubed minus 2x plus c, and that's all what that one is to the 3/2. And I'm going to claim that that is the integral right there.